Welcome to my painting tutorial channel, Roshko Rajpandari. Blending in painting is the technique of smoothly transitioning from one color to another, creating a gradient effect. It helps remove harsh lines between colors, making the transition seamless. In acrylic painting, blending can be tricky because the paint dries quickly. Artists use different methods, like wet-on-wet blending, dry brushing, glazing, and feathering, to achieve smooth gradients. Blending is commonly used in creating realistic shading, soft skies, and smooth color transitions in landscapes and portraits. Blending with acrylics can be challenging because they dry quickly, but with the right techniques, you can achieve smooth transitions. Here are 10 easy tips to help you blend acrylics effectively. 1. Use slow-drying acrylics or retarder. Acrylics dry fast, so use slow-drying acrylics like golden open acrylics, or mix in an acrylic retarder to extend the drying time. 2. Work on a damp surface. A lightly mist your canvas with water before painting to keep the paint wet for longer. 3. Use soft, synthetic brushes. A soft filbert or flat brush works best for blending, as they don't leave harsh strokes. 4. Use the wet-on-wet technique. Blend while the paint is still wet. Quickly apply two colors next to each other and use a clean, dry brush to blend the edges. 5. Use a dry brush for soft transitions. After applying colors, take a dry, soft brush and lightly go over the edges in a circular motion to soften lines. 6. Use a glazing technique. Thin your paint with glazing medium and apply multiple transparent layers to create smooth gradients. 7. Feathering technique. Use a light, feathery motion with your brush, barely touching the surface, to create soft blends. 8. Cross-hatching method. Paint short strokes in a crisscross pattern, then soften with a clean, damp brush to create a smooth transition. 9. Use a sponge for natural blending. Dab a slightly damp sponge over the paint to create soft, organic gradients.
10. Mist your palette and canvas.
Keep a spray bottle handy to lightly mist your paint and canvas to prevent them from drying too quickly. Thank you for watching.